2, 1. Okay, hello my dear subscribers. Today I'm gonna share my tips of learning English language. And many of you dream of having a great English language without your accent. Okay, so today I want to share you my most effective tips that I've used to learn English. Okay, of course you need to have an interest. Okay, first, reading. Okay, learn at least five new vocabulary words every day. So keep the definitions and as short and concise as possible. So 5 to 7 words is best. Okay, next, second, listening. Okay, the objective of listening to English is to hear as many words as possible. The more times you hear a word, the better you will be able to use that word. Okay, so can you learn English language by listening to music or by singing? I think singing is a great way to improve your language skills. Why? It's great for pronunciation. So I'm not suggesting you guys that you should sing all the time when you speak. So you just need to exercise the muscles used to make each sounds, okay? So since today's Valentine's Day, I'm gonna sing. For example, this one. Wise men say only fools rush in, that I can't help falling in love with you. Okay, so guys, those are my tips. So thank you for watching this video, and I really want to hear from you what works for you, the most effective ways to learn English. Thank you, viewers.